Hello everybody, today I am going to discuss about thread priority. Now what is the priority of a thread? Each thread is having a separate priority. What does this thread scheduler do? The thread scheduler will schedule the threads according to some given priority. And priorities are represented between 1 and 10. In the thread priority, in thread priority, three constants are defined in the thread class, that is public static int min priority, public static int norm priority, public static int max priority. And the default priority of the thread is 5 and the minimum priority value is 1 and the value of max priority is 10. Now daemon thread. What is this daemon thread in Java? Daemon thread is a service provider that is used to service the user threads. And when all the user threads die, the JVM automatically terminates this daemon thread. That is, there are many like Java daemon threads usually run at the background and they run automatically. And examples of these daemon threads are GC and finalizer, etc. And daemon threads provide services to the user threads for background supporting tasks. It is a very low priority thread. What is thread pool? Java thread pool is nothing but it represents the group of threads working and waiting for a particular task, and they can be these threads can be reused many times. And in case of thread pool, a group of fixed size of threads are created. And first of all, what happens? A thread from the given thread pool is pulled out and it is assigned a job by the service provider, and after the completion of the job it is again kept back into the pool. The thread is again kept back into the thread pool again. This is because due to this the better performance. The performance is good and it saves time because there is no need to create a new thread in Java. What is a thread group? Thread group is nothing but it is a group of multiple threads in a single object. That is why what is the use of this thread group? Thread group is used because we can suspend, resume, or even interrupt some group of threads by a single method call. And this Java thread group is implemented by java.lang.threadgroup class. Now, what is the shutdown hook? Shutdown hook can be used to perform some cleanup processing or save the state when the JVM shuts down normally or abruptly. What is this garbage collection? Garbage collection means that is nothing but unreferenced objects, that is the objects which are not referred anymore. Garbage collection is a process of reclaiming the, it is nothing but reusing the reusing the memory once again automatically. In other words, this garbage collection is used to destroy the unused objects. That is, for example, in C language, free method is used to for garbage collection, and in C++ we use delete method, but in Java there is no such method because garbage collection is done automatically. So the advantage of this is it provides better memory management. So Java makes memory efficient because of this garbage collector. It removes the unreferenced objects from the heap memory. What is finalize and the GC method are the garbage collection methods. Finalize method is invoked before the object is garbage collected. This method can be used for cleanup processing. GC method is used to invoke during the garbage collection to perform cleanup processing. I'll show you some examples. First is the daemon thread. Now, what is the daemon thread? Daemon thread is the service provider which is run at the background of the threads. That is, it is used to service the user threads. So, public class daemon thread extends thread public void run begin. If current thread is daemon, then I am printing system.out.println is daemon thread work. Else, I am printing user thread. So first control starts from the main method. First I am creating three objects for this daemon thread T1, T2 and T3. I am invoking this method setDaemon T1 dot setDaemon to true so that T1 will become the daemon thread. If setDaemon is true, then T1 will become the daemon thread. Then T1 dot start, T2 dot start, and 3T dot start. When I say T1 dot start, the control goes into this run method and it will check whether the current thread is demo or not the user thread. We will see the output of this program. So first, as I said, T1 dot set demo is true. The first thread, when I say T1 dot start, the control goes into run method and it will check whether T1 is a daemon thread or a user thread. So T1 is daemon thread, so the daemon thread work is printed first. Then when I say T2 dot start, since daemon thread is not set to true, it will go into this run method and it will print user thread work since it is not a daemon thread. And again, when I say T3 dot start, the control goes into run method and it will check whether it is daemon or user thread. And since it is also not a daemon thread, then the statement is printed. Next, thread priority. What is thread priority? Public class thread priority extends thread. This thread scheduler will schedule the threads according to the priority given. There are three types of priority: min priority, norm priority, max priority. The default value of thread priority is 5. Minimum priority is 1 and maximum priority is 10. So inside the run method, I'm printing system.out.println. Running thread name is thread.current.getName. Then system.out.println running thread priority is thread.current.getPriority. First, always control starts from the main method. I had created two objects for this class thread priority, M1 and M2. When I say M1.setPriority, thread.minPriority, then it will set the priority for M1 thread and M2 dot set priority thread dot max priority. Then when I say M1 dot start, control goes into run method and it will print the running thread name is it will print the current thread name and it will also print the current priority. Its priority. When I say M2 dot start, control goes into run and it will print its name and its priority. So we'll see what are the priorities for M1 and M2. So see the output here. Running thread name is first the thread one is the running thread name and its priority is 10. And M2 is the next M2 is the M2 thread name is 0 and its priority is 1. Next thread pool. What is a thread pool? In thread pool, because public class thread pool implements the runnable private string message public thread pool string yes. This dot message is assigned to yes. Then public void run method system.out.println thread dot current thread dot get name. Then process message. Then system.out.println thread dot current thread dot get name. Then private void process message begin try thread dot sleep of 2000. Here I'm using the try catch block inside the process message. So we'll run this program and see. I think there is a mistake in this program. Next is the thread group. This thread group, public class thread group implements runnable. Then inside that I'm defining one run method, public void run. Then system.out.println thread.current.getName. Then inside the main method, always the control starts from the main method. First I am creating an object for this thread group. Thread group runnable equal to new thread group. And thread group tg1 is equal to new thread group of parent thread group. Then thread t1 equal to new thread of tg1 comma runnable comma 1. So when I create an object for this thread T1 and when I say T1 dot start, the control goes into this run method and it will print the current name of the current thread. So we'll see the output of this program. See here, the first thread name is 1 and the second thread name is 2, and third one here the output is 1, 2 and the thread group name. Thread group name is parent thread group. Then next the third thread is 3. This is the output of this program. Next, what is interrupt thread? Public class interrupt thread extends thread public void run try begin thread dot sleep 4000 system dot out dot println task. Here I am taking a try catch block here. Inside the main method, always control starts from the main method. Once I create an object for interrupt thread T1 equal to new interrupt thread and I say T1 dot starts, the control enters into run method and it will print the output as task. And once I say T1 dot interrupt, the first thread T1 is interrupted for some time. So we'll see the output of this program. So when I say T1 dot interrupt, then an exception is handled by this program. That is, exception handled is sleep interrupted. So this is about the thread. So I conclude here. We'll continue in the next topic.